This video shows how to use RA2E1 to acquire real-time temperature and humidity data from a sensor board. The latest version of eSquare Studio is used as the integrated development environment. Please prepare the following items that are used in this video. RA2E1 Interposer board and Relative Humidity Sensor PMOD board. Connect the interposer board and the sensor board to PMOD 2, J25 of RA2E1. For jumper pin settings, please refer to the user's manual RA2E1 group, Evaluation Kit for RA2E1 MCU group, RA2E1, Chapter 5.2. To use the sample code in this video, download the sample code for the HS300X sample application from the sensor software page on the Renesas website. Extract the downloaded zip file and launch eSquare Studio. That's it, you're all set. First, create a new project. Select File, New, Renesas C++ Project, Renesas RA. And All, Renesas RAC C++ Project. Fill in the project name, and set board to RA2E1. Proceed with the settings and select Bare Metal, Minimal. The project creation has now been completed. Next comes Code Generation and Building. Open the Stacks tab and add the required sensor modules. To add stacks, select New Stack, Sensor, HS300X Temperature Humidity Sensor. Click Add I2C Communications Peripheral, and select New, I2C Master. Focus on I2C0, I2C Master, and click the Properties tab. Since PMOD 2 is used in this video, change the channel to 1. Next, configure the settings on the Pins tab. Select Peripherals, Connectivity SCI, SCI1. Click on the Value column of Operation Mode, and change it to Simple I2C. Change SDA1 to P401, and SCL1 to P402. After completing the settings, click Generate Project Content. Before building, add the required sample code to the project. Right-click on the project name and click System Explorer to open it. Open the downloaded sample code R01 and 5897XX0150HS300X, HS300X RA6M4 non-OS, and copy the SRC folder to the project you created. Right-click on the project name again, and click Build Project. After a successful build, perform debugging operations. Connect the USB cable to the target board and the PC. To start debugging, right-click on the project name and click Debug As, for Renesas GDB hardware debugging. Add variables to the expression view to see the real-time temperature and humidity measured by the sensor. Click C++ in the upper right corner, and double-click Source, RAHS300X.C file in Project Explorer. Click Debug in the upper right corner, then click the expression view. Drag and drop this variable name into the expression view. Right-click the selected value, and select Enable Real-Time Refresh, to view the current temperature and humidity changes in real time. Click the Resume button to execute. If execution stops at the main function, click Resume again. Now that the program is running, it is possible to view the current temperature and humidity changes in real time. This FSP configuration also allows a free combination of sensor software modules. For example, to add a gas sensor module, do the following. With a single click, you can configure settings for sharing the same I2C bus, or using different I2C buses. If you use sample projects before January 2023, code modification is required before the build. For more information, see the application note, RA family, RX family, RL78 family, RZ family sensor software combination manual. A wide variety of modules and sample codes are also available, to enable immediate control of Renesas sensor products and the acquisition of measurement data. These modules and sample codes promote the efficient development of IoT systems, by enabling quick and easy setup of drivers and middleware modules, without having to know how to control communication interfaces. For more information, please refer to the sensor software page on the Renesas website.